Take him back again.
Okay, here we go, buddy. Whoa! Here we go.
Bring him back this way again, one more time.
Okay, we're coming. Is this fun?
Here he comes.
Here comes Jude.
He likes it. Thanks for the ride, Mommy. Whoa!
Okay, we're gonna go back. This is a good workout for Mommy. Here we come.
Where's Jude?
There
There he is! Good ride, kid.
Mommy's tired.
Mommy is pushing you all around town.
Spin, 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 spin.
He's on spin cycle. Whoa, back. Whoa. Wow. I think he's going to throw up.
You do?
He's going to Ralph.
Not on my Glen Close. Okay. All done.
That was fun.